Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to add calculating parameters. For example, if I want a cost to have a total cost, how can I do it? I will show you in this video, don't worry. So let's go to the view. And in the previous video we showed you how to start with the schedules, okay? So you can look at the video if you like, but I recommend you to watch it again, okay? So schedules, go to the schedules and you have category name. We'll add curtain wall mullion and you have the name and you will press OK. I'll bring the family and type and I'll bring the length, okay, and I'll bring count and cost. Let's assume that I want something like this and I'll press OK. You see that it gave me a list of many things that is not ending. So what I'm going to do is that let's assume that I'm giving a rectangular mullion a cost. Let's give it $75 and I'll say yes, apply the change to all. And you have L corner, I'll give it $100. These are random numbers and press enter, okay, and it will be added. You see, none of them is now blank. This is random numbers, just don't worry, I'm just filling random number of costs, okay? Maybe in your country is different, it's cheaper or more expensive, okay? So bear with me. So I can see that it gave me a list of many things. So I'm going to the fields and go to the edit. I'll go to the filter. I'll say that filter it by sorted. I will go to the sorting and grouping. Group it by family and type. Okay, family and type, and press OK, and it sorted it with like L corners first, then rectangulars. You see, this is not something I want, so I'll go to the sorting and grouping and I'll add a footer. I'll give a title, account and totals. I will press OK, and right now it gave me a break. For example, I have 24 mullions of L corner. If I go down for the rectangular, it's 633 and gave me the title of it in the totals. So I think this is too much. I want them compressed. How can I do this? Let's go to the sorting and grouping and let's uncheck itemize every instance. Just uncheck it, press OK, and you can see that it gave us L corner and it says the length is varies. Why it varies? I don't get it, okay? So why it varies, you might ask? Because we have different lengths. So I didn't tell the length parameter to calculate the total of all of the lengths, okay? Let's assume that I want the cost to have, let's go to the formatting and go to the cost and calculate the totals. I wanted to calculate all the totals of L corner and rectangular mullion, and I'll give it a field format. I'll just uncheck it and I'll give it $1. Okay, press OK, and right now what it did is that we had L corner was $100, isn't it? So let's go to here and we have L corner was $100 times 24. So the number became like this. Is this logical? Do they give you L corner varies the length and you count it 100 times 24? This is not logical. For example, for this one also, 366 times $75, and it became this number. This is not logical actually. So let's try something logical. Let's go to the sorting and grouping or formatting. Let's say I'll say the length, calculate the totals, and the field format I want to be centimeters. Okay, press OK, and something like this appeared, but it didn't show me why it didn't show me it's centimeter? Because I unchecked it, and I'll go to the centimes, and right now it calculated the totals of this. Still I don't have the cost. I want to multiply the cost by this length. Okay, what can I do is that I will go to the fields. I will give a formula. Formula for what? For this. So I'll go to the formula at calculated parameter, and I will say total cost, and I'll give it a currency. Let me see. This is the currency, and we have a formula. You will not write the formula here. You have it from here, the three dots, and it gives me only length and cost, because we have only length and cost for this formula. So I'm adding the cost, no matter which one you add first, and you have on your notepad, on your keyboard, you have something, a sign like this. It's like a star. It's for multiplying. You will just multiply it, or you can press Shift and 8. It will bring you this. Okay, and click on this and go to the length and multiply it, divided by 100 centime. You can divide it by 100 centime or 1 meter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's go with this. Press OK, and let's press OK, and it says the total cost varies. So I'm going to the formatting and give the total cost, calculate totals, and the currency I wanted to see it in dollar. Press OK, and right now what it did is that it multiplied, let's say 75 by 600, this number, not 600, not by the count, by the length. So let's add this, and you can see it brought this. You see, it brought this. What about this is that 4,320 times 100, it gave me this. You see, this is how we calculate the total cost. Okay, so you know that right now. Okay, you know this, but something that worries me is that I see this. I don't want to see this, so I'll go to the cost and no calculation, and it goes to 100. So I know that 100 times this becomes this, 75 times this becomes this. You see, and that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.